Welcome to my channel. How to add a wireless printer without WPS. Step 1. Turn on the printer. First, plug in your printer and turn it on. Check the display for any error messages and make sure the printer is ready to use. Step 2. Open Wi-Fi settings. Go to the printer's wireless or network settings. Look for an option like Wi-Fi setup or wireless setup wizard. Step 3. Select your Wi-Fi network. The printer will show nearby Wi-Fi networks. Find your home network from the list and select it. Step 4. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Type your Wi-Fi password using the printer screen. Double-check the password before connecting, since even one wrong character can cause the connection to fail. Step 5. Check the connection. Wait a few seconds for the printer to connect. You should see a Wi-Fi icon or connected message on the printer's display. Step 6. Open Windows Settings. Now go to your Windows computer and click Start Settings. Then select Bluetooth devices from the menu. Step 7. Open Printer Scanners. Click Printer Scanners and then select Add Device. Windows will start searching for printers available on your network. Step 8. Add your printer. Find your printer's name in the results and click Add Device. Give Windows a moment to complete the connection. Step 9. Install the driver. If Windows asks you to install a printer driver, follow the instructions on the screen. Let the installation finish before trying to print. Step 10. Print a test page. Finally, open your printer settings and print a test page. If the page prints correctly, your wireless printer is ready to use without WPS. Thank you for watching.